Hello! Welcome to my channel. Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is glowing button. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Now, add an anchor tag with button class and add text in it. Let's take the hello word. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. First, give the body a background color. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Now let's style the button class and display it in inline block style. Add white color. Give it padding of 15 pixels and 40 pixels. Now add border of 3 pixels of blue color. And add border radius of 10 pixels. Now, add animation to the button class with the after effect of hover. The animation will be of 1 second pulsate with an ease. In-out transition. Now add keyframes to pulsate animation. Add 2 frames to 0% with a box shadow of 0 pixels, 30 pixels, and 10 pixels with 1 light blue color and 1 dark blue color respectively. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.